Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to set up Face Unlock on your Samsung Galaxy A15 so that you can be able to unlock your phone using your face. So what you want to do is simply go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy. Tap on that. And under Security and Privacy, scroll down to Biometrics. Tap on that. And then you should see face recognition at the top. Tap on that. Now, before you can set up Face Unlock, you need to have set up either a pattern, PIN, or a password. If you haven't set any of those up, your phone will prompt you to set one up first. But since I've already set up a pattern, it's just going to ask me for my pattern, and then it will allow me to get into the face recognition. So tap on Continue, and then just hold your phone to your face to register your face. So I'm just gonna do exactly that. There you go. So my face is now registered. So I can use my face to unlock my phone. So I can either use a pattern, a fingerprint, and I've registered this finger, or I can just show my phone my face and it unlocks, as you can see. Okay, so let's try that again. Lock my face and it unlocks, as you can see. And that is basically how to set up Face Unlock on your Samsung Galaxy A15. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.